Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to replace photo backgrounds using Gemini on iPhone. If you want to swap a boring background for something viral, Gemini makes it quick with AI. First of all, open the App Store and then update the Gemini app to the latest version, and then tap the plus create button, and then create the create image option. And then what you're gonna do is pick the photo you want to edit from your camera roll, and then what you can say is replace the background with sunset, or change the background to neon city lights, or any prompt you want to add. And then Gemini will remove the old background and generate new one instantly. And then there you go. Tap download to save the edited photo. You can post it directly on Instagram or any app you want. And then safety tip: avoid using copyrighted background for logos. Stick to generative prompts or your own photos to stay offline. Quick fix: if the background tools does not appear, try Gemini inside Google Photos. On iPhone it may show as Magic Editor. Some background editing features are still rolling out reason by reason. Subscribe for more quick fixes.